Starting our leaders young in terms of inculcating integrity so that they already practice it early on and they carry it with them until, of course, the sunset of their years. The world can be messy. Our young learners, there will be times when doing the right thing seems difficult or unrewarding. But remember also that integrity is not a luxury reserved for the fortunate. It's a muscle that strengthens with every decision you make. Today, in this occasion, we celebrate you, our learners, while at the same time encourage you to continue to inform, educate, empower your schoolmates, to eventually bring about meaningful change throughout the country. We encourage you to continue to be critical without being offensive, to apply proper judgment without prejudice, engage in healthy discussions without being dismissive, and implement programs responsive to your community. We challenge you to clearly establish an online community of integrity crusaders where support network is strengthened and where electronic platform opens avenues for knowledge sharing, good practices, and models of good citizenship and leadership. I found that it is the small everyday deeds of ordinary folks that keep the darkness at bay. Small acts of kindness and love. Small acts of doing the right thing. Don't end this crusade with the award you receive. Instead, use this award to fuel an advocacy that reverberates throughout the fabric of our society. And it starts with you. And so you remember that you matter. What you do matters. What you bring to the community matters. And what you contribute to making your school a better place matters. So go on and make your integrity story and let it ring throughout your life as citizens of this country. Magandang umaga po sa